Okay, so now we're going to search for a guest's name and find what room type they're in. Now, this is good. It's called a VLOOKUP. It's a quick way of finding data. And here's how we do it. So the guest name is going to be Diana. And the room type, we're now going to look at it, equals VLOOKUP. Then open the brackets. And the search criteria is going to be this cell, comma, comma. Now the array means the table, so we're going to highlight the table, comma. The index now is the numbered column, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what we're looking for, room type. And then comma, and we'll write false. When we put false, it means that we want an exact match. Close brackets and enter. And there you go, that's your VLOOKUP. And obviously I can change this to Edward single, and he is in the single. Done.